Hello, welcome back to my diary, my YouTube diary video. I'm only doing this for my YouTube channel that I have. This one's my personal, really fun YouTube channel. I do have a new one called the Queen Leopard Reviews. Go check that out. Subscribe to that one, and also subscribe to my other YouTube channel for my new laptop. I'm using my new laptop. It's a Samsung Chromebook, and I have a YouTube about that on here. So I'm here to show you some cool things and cool stuff that I got, and I love it. So one of the new stuff I got was this cute little thing. At first he's really happy, really cute, but when I go like this, but inside out, yes, I make it inside out, and now he becomes angry. It's your angry eyes. This is so cute. I love this. It's so cute. I love it so much. And I also got these cute little puppets. This is a simple dimple. I'm just going to turn my TV down, so you can hear me better. Right now I'm just drinking some Yummy Club soda. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my Queen Leopard Reviews. Go over there and like and subscribe to Queen Leopard Reviews to see some cool update videos on that channel. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe to this video for my other YouTube channel. I have two newest YouTube channels, and this is one of them. And I'm going to show you some really cool puppets. This is a simple dimple. Oh, by the way, are you guys, do you also like scary movies? Comment below on YouTube and tell me if you love scary movies. I want to know. And this is a really cute puppet. It's a little teddy bear. It's so cute. Oh, this one. If you love Disney and Disneyland, this is Mickey Mouse. It's a puppet Mickey Mouse. Oh, and I also got this one too. This is a simple dimple. This is the loud part. So I'm gonna be quiet and listen to the sound. Isn't it awesome? I love it. It reminds me of like a paint pilot. When you paint, it looks like that. And I got this new one. I got this new little heart-shaped puppet. It's so thin, and I love it. It's so soft to the touch, and it's silicone, so you can play with it like this. And I also got these on my bag of squishy balls. Oh no, I think they're called stress balls. This is one of my favorite ones. It's a little squish ball stress ball. This is really cute. It has little balls in it. So cute. And by the way, this will be uploaded on YouTube. So stay tuned to see that. It has little balls in it, and I love it to pieces. And this was just plain nothing. I don't know. That's cool. And this one is my other one I like. This is a... Do you know what a Orbeez looks like? You take Orbeez into a ball. Look at that. Oh my gosh. This was also cool. It has little spikes on it, but it doesn't hurt. It's like rubber, silicone. So I'm not worried about doing a long video. It's going to be on YouTube. So I'm hoping that it will be on YouTube too. I will upload this on YouTube. This one is rainbow, and I really love the rainbow ball. It's so cute. And I got this cute little butterfly puppet. It's so cute, right? It's a little butterfly. It's so cute. This one's different because this one is heat activated. So when we put this in the sun, it would change colors into like this kind of a golden yellow into a darker orange. I like doing these videos for my my other YouTube channel on this one. I will be doing some new videos too. To stay. It will be coming out soon with new videos, so stay tuned to see that. So that's the heat activated puppet right there. Oh, if you're interested, I also make little pom-poms like this. I make little pom-poms. I do different styles like this one. That is a cute pom-pom that I made. I also just made this one. It's purple, red, and orange. It's so cute. And I also did this one. It's supposed to be like a loofah. You know, you wash it like that. Like that. And I also made this one. This is a mermaid pom-pom that I made. Oh, I even got this cute little hand puppet too. Isn't that cute? I will be uploading this to my YouTube channel, so get ready to see that. And don't forget to like and subscribe to see new videos. And stay, if you want to be notified, go on my main channel, Chelsea Behunan channel, hit the bell on that channel to stay notified when I upload new videos. And go check out my YouTube channel, my new one. It's called Queen Leopard Reviews. Go check that channel out too. I do a lot of cool videos on that channel, so go check it out. Like and subscribe to Queen Leopard Reviews, because I'm really good at doing videos, and yeah. So make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, Chelsea Behunan channel. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my new one. So yeah, go and check it out. It's gonna be really fun. I do a lot of new videos. I talk about new videos, and I know I'm wearing these pajamas because I love them so much. It reminds me of my boyfriend. So yeah, so that's it. I'll see you on the next video. And thanks for watching, you guys. Stay tuned to see my other video showing you my new projector light. Stay tuned, you want to see that. So, thanks for watching, you guys. Stay beautiful, stay gorgeous, stay in love. I know I will. I'll see you on the next video. This will be uploaded on YouTube. Don't forget to like and subscribe to those both new YouTube channels. I'll see you soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye for now.